What's up, guys? This is my second video, or basically my fourth, but my second video, like face reveal, kind of. Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys what my farm looks like. All my vehicles that we own and some fields. There's one field we own right there, and then we own this field, and then all the way back there, and all the way back there. And then this is our barn. And then I'll show you guys all of our stuff. Comment down below what you guys want me to do for my other videos. Alright. Today I took my Ranger. So here's our farm right here. Here's our semi. And I know a lot of you aren't Ford fans, but we got a Ford semi. Here's our old John Deere. Nothing runs like a deer. John Deere all day. Except we have two cases. We have a case backhoe. I drive this thing all the time. And then we also have this John Deere tractor that we use for our grain cart, and we work dirt up with this. And we just use this thing to dig holes and fill up lands and for trees and stuff. And then here's our Case International red. We use this for our farm, for our planting tractor. My grandpa just painted it, looking pretty nice. And then this is our planter. This is what we use to plant the corn and beans. Alright guys, that's all the video today. See you guys next time.